Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to look at our place value system and how every place in our place value system is composed of 10 units of the place to the right. So I want you to look at this picture. What do you notice? What do you wonder? If you're looking at the spaces covered by the beans, what number does this place value chart represent? I want you to write down the standard form number that this place value chart represents. Now, let's look at the amounts in each place value. I see a 2 in the hundreds place, a 5 in the tens place, and a 4 in the ones place. How do we say that number in standard form? We would say 254. Now let's look at this page. What number is the place value chart showing now? Is this number 317 in standard form? Well, I hope you said no, because if you notice, we've moved over to larger place values on our place value chart. So even though there are no beans in our place values all the way on the right and no beans in our place values all the way on the left, it doesn't mean that we're only looking at the 3 in the hundred thousands, the 1 in the 10,000s, and the 7 in the thousands place. We still have to look and recognize that there are no beans in our hundreds, tens, and ones, but when we write this number in standard form, we're not just going to leave those off, we're going to include the zeros. Those place values still have a value, it's just 0. So standard form, we would say this number as 317,000. Well, today I'm going to show you how we can count and regroup. So I'm going to be kind of playing a counting game. I'll be counting in groups, and I'm going to be counting to make groups of 10. I'm going to use a place value chart, and I'm going to make groups of 10. I will organize them, and anytime I fill all the 10 spaces in one column, we will regroup them into one group in the column to the left. So for example, if I were to fill all 10 spaces in my ones column, I would regroup them into the column to the left, into the tens column. So I'm going to switch from our electronic place value board and move into a recording of a paper place value board, so I can show you how we regroup from one column in our place value board to the next column.